Welcome back. The high price from a hoax. Tonight, two 15-year-old boys and a 16-year-old have been arrested for allegedly calling in a shooting threat that led to chaos in Woodland.
Yeah, the high school was put on lockdown and evacuated last Friday. So the question is, who will pay for the massive cost of responding to this hoax? CBS 13's Rob Malcolm joins us live from Woodland getting answers. Rob?
Yeah, that's right. Good evening. Tony and Sharon, residents tell us they were certainly frightened about what happened here at Woodland High School last Friday. And they tell me someone has to pay, but you'd be surprised at who won't be footing the bill for this careless prank.
I would say that the parents of this kid should be responsible.
3 juveniles under arrest. Woodland police say last Friday's shooting threat that led to campus evacuations and a lockdown was a hoax.
The helicopter was out here and, police department was out where they could have been somewhere else, thinking that it was a real threat.
Police say the teenage boys called police from a phone inside of a classroom. They're now booked into the Yolo County Juvenile Hall, charged with conspiracy. The older 16-year-old charged with making a false crime report. But getting someone to pay for the man-hours and the investigation won't be easy, says this Sacramento lawyer.
Well, it's probably going to be something that doesn't sit well with a lot of people, especially viewers and taxpayers. But the law in California is really clear. It's been that way for a long time. And most states, actually, in the United States, do not require parents to pay for a hoax.
Woodland police haven't determined a motive for the threat, but say the investigation is still active. The teens were all students at the school, which wasn't given the all-clear until several hours later at 2 in the afternoon.
Just because of the parents, unfortunately, we do protect them. We protect their pocketbook. And we're going to say the state is going to absorb this one.
It's not sitting well for some, but for now, that's the way the law is written.
I think parents should pay for that. I really do.
And back here live, we reached out to the Woodland Police Department. We couldn't get a definitive number on how much this hoax cost the department and even the state. But Reichel says the state could go after parents if they can prove that the parents were negligent. But even that is still a long shot, guys.
Yeah, it's an interesting question, but no doubt this happens way too often. Rob Malcolm in Woodland tonight. Rob, thanks.